This crazy man is Cleveland. Cleveland is boarding with us here at Boston Red Dog. And while Cleveland does do a little swimming during a session, his favorite part is just jumping on the outside and splashing all over the place. It gets him very tired. And he is happy as a clam. It figures this is like the only time that they're not there anymore, but Cleveland draws quite an audience at the windows there. He's very lovable, he's very goofy. And when he's tired, that tongue practically touches the floor. Come on. Good job. So we just throw all the toys in the pool and let him have a field day. Come on! Good job. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Look at that tongue. You tired? Ooh. Good job. Very nice. And after Cleveland's swim is done, he gets a little massage as he gets dried off to relax. Oh, very good. Oh, very good. He'll probably play around a little bit more with the toys on the outside before he goes back to his room. And of course, lots of kisses and cuddles, right? Right? Because he's so darn handsome. Right? We had a moment there, huh? I know. Good job. You tired? Are you ready to go back to your room? Do you want to swim forever?